Business verification. It aims to verify ownership and business operation on Hahalolo as one of the most important steps you can't skip. Let's find out how to verify your business account in very simple steps. Go to Business Account. Click Account Management to access the Business Manager. Click Overview. Click Account Verification to start verifying business account. Verify personal business account. Fill out your personal information fully and correctly. Upload the proofs in the identity verification photos: 9-digit ID card, 12-digit ID card, passport. Click Submit Verification Request to finish. Verify Enterprise Business Account. Fill out your enterprise information fully and correctly. Upload Certificate of Business Registration in the verification documents. Click Submit Verification Request to finish. Submit a verification request now to complete your business process on Hahalolo.